morning, everybody. I am here with a post that I'm scheduling probably for Thursday, so you can check it out when it's here. This is my video companion, or this is my companion video to my thoughts here. So SMH was an ETF that I was checking out back in 2007. So this post is kind of a where are they now? It encompasses the old post from 2007, 2020 update, as well as now a current update, right? So back in 27, it was trading around $36 a share or something like that, $37 a share. And semiconductors, I wrote about it that, hey, that this is a perfect case for long-term investing. However, though, I think people thought that this was going to be a commodity because chips are more of a commodity. Well, the GPUs really took everything by storm and really generated the whole AI revolution here. So in 2007, I was thinking that they were probably more commodities. One of the bloggers I followed, Howard Lindzon at the time, was thinking about shorting them or buying puts or selling puts on them. But I really like them because I'm in the AI field, and I also work in technology, generally speaking, and chips, semiconductors are the power, or that are the brains behind all that. So what I did was I did sell it in May 2007, and I looked at it, and back in 2020 it was up to about $203 a share. That was really amazing. So it's been in a very long-term trend. It does have some dividends, so it's okay, but the power behind the SMH, the semiconductor index, is really the GPUs and all the new technology. You can see here from 2024, which was a couple days ago, that it is trending to $280 a share, an all-time high again. And you know how much I love all-time highs. I mean, if we take a look at it here, it looks like it's breaking out. See a nice long-term trend here, breaking out of this here, all thanks to probably NVIDIA, right? Mostly NVIDIA and so forth, but definitely something to check out. And let's take a look at the chatter on StockTwits here. Lots of message volume. Some people are thinking it's bearish, but I am a big believer in buying all-time highs. All-time highs keep going higher until they don't, right? I mean, that's not a lot of wisdom there, but long-term trends give you long-term capital gains, which is lower, and the market tells you when it's over. That's what I like about it. Well, anyway, enjoy this companion video here, and look forward to chatting with you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.